learn how to make a black lemonade.
Yum! That's delicious!
As seen on Spongebob, and a drink that the Kardashians themselves drink. For the first step to make the lemonade, you need 6 cups of water and a jar to put it in. Now this part is optional, but I do love chia seeds, so you can put it in. Tons of great protein. And it's 1 tablespoon. Now we need 1 cup of lemons, or lemon juice. It's all hard on my lips. Now I need 4 tablespoons of honey or maple syrup. Half a teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt. And now I need 1 tablespoon of charcoal, activated charcoal. Now remember, charcoal is a detoxifier, so make sure you drink it on at least 2 hours on empty stomachs, and make sure you don't take any medications because it will have the reverse effect of the medication. So believe it or not, it's actually really good. Thanks for watching.